Okay, guys, sorry for about that. The battery on my phone is very, very, very low. It's because the phone will stop recording is because the battery is low. Anyways, here's the part two of my DVD drive maintenance. So this this part it's it's the motor, and this motor drives this belt. The belt drives this pulley right here, and this pulley drives this gear, and this gear drives this gear right here, and the gear drives this tray mechanism. So you can open it and close it just like that. Alright. It makes a bit of a noise. I put some WD-40 so that the noise is not that bad. Anyways, so this bar right here, once the tray is all the way closed, it locks in, and this mechanism lifts up to allow the disc and the magnet will come out, so it starts spins. Anyways, this is the motor. The motor makes the disc spin. The spindle motor. All right, and this is and in this motor, this is called a sled motor. The sled motor moves the laser lens back and forth to read the disc. All right, and this is your optical pickup lens right here. The laser reads the disc, the table of contents that are on this disc. So, anyways, and if you wanted to take the whole like this drive out, simply here you just take out these two screws, and once you get those out, and it just and it comes right out. You just need to lift it up and go right here, and you push the buttons to make sure so it comes out free. You don't want to use any force. It's because otherwise you would damage it. But anyways, so this is the so in that case, like if you're so the lens makes the disc read, so that it doesn't have any protective lens. So over time, if the lens gets dirty or scratched over time, it will have trouble reading your disc. So in that case, whatever, if your discs are perfectly shiny and no damages, and if the drive has any trouble reading your table of contents that are on this disc, you simply need to clean the lens. So in order to clean the lens, what you do is you get your rubbing alcohol and just get a Q-tip, and just dip you and then just dip your alcohol in to the Q-tip, and then just rub it around just like so. All right, I might have did that already. You don't want to use any pressure. You just need to be very, very, very careful about these things. These things are very, very, very sensitive, very delicate. Force it, you can damage it. So just be very gentle. Just be very gentle, very, very gentle. And once you you clean it, let it dry for a few minutes, and putting your disc in here, if it reads, and if it reads, then you know it works. Anyways, oh, the air conditioner compressor just kicked on, and this motor, the motor makes the disc spin, and those sleds gets sometimes over time the sled motor assembly and a turntable motor assembly and all these types of things do get a bit rust over time. And yeah, if it gets a bit weak, or like if it opens and closes very slowly, like if your driver has any trouble like reading something, or does it spin, does it get up to full speed, you can use and here's how you solve it. You can use like WD-40, all right, and then just spray against. Just be very, very, very careful. Once again, same thing go this way, and you take the motor out, which you can't. It's because you have to unscrew this. These screws right here, and as you can see, all the white stuff in here. Put some WD-40 around here, so the disc tray will open and close very smoothly. Which as you can see, listen, see. Anyways, and it just put some WD-40 on the hinges on the tray, so in that case, so it opens very smoothly. And here's the belt. The belts do slip over time, so in that case, if you use like something like a glue stick and just gently put it on the belts, and once after that, and it just opens and closes smoothly, just like so. See? Put some bit of glue on here so it doesn't look that bad. But anyways, once you finished up with the maintenance, let's put everything back together in reverse order. So first, we're gonna take your outer cover, not the outer cover, the top part, the cover, and just line it up. Locks in. Yep. Can't hear anything. It signals is put back. Now, to close this tray without power, all you need to do is you close it completely. As you can see, you slide this bar over, and you can hear that little click it makes. It clamps this DVD motor mechanism, the spindle motor mechanism, to this magnet right here, which you see it. You should quit. Open this up. See, and when you close it, clamps, locks it in place. All right, and now once you once you get this piece on, we're gonna put the bottom cover back on. Again, align it up just like so, and like that. And now, once you get this cover on, we're gonna screw this 4 Phillips head screws that you removed earlier. Again, there's no reason for you to over tighten this, It's because if you over tighten it, you can strip out the screws. Alright? If it's loose, it can create a rattling sound, cause a vibration. We don't want that. Alright? You have to make sure that all the screws, everything's very, very, very tight. Alright? Alright? And one last screw. Put in here. There we go. And alright. Once you get all the 4 screws in, now you can slide your optical drive in and to the enclosure. It's kind of hard to do it. There we go. And now what you're gonna do is you put the screw back in. The screw helps lock it in place so nobody doesn't take it out or steal it. Alright, there we go. Alright, once you get all these screws in, you're gonna plug in your power and your data cables. That's your data cable. And that's your power cable. As you can tell by the labels and all of that. See, SATA power connector, which is this one. SATA connector, which is this one right here. All right. Now, once you get this drive reassembled and connected, what you're gonna do is put the front bezel back on and just line up those 3 locks. Show you that again. See this one lock right here, and this one you can't see it, and this one right here, which yeah, you can barely see it. And you have to make sure you line these up. And once you have it lined up, you just push in, and hear that, and it snaps into place just like that. Make sure it's in there very good. In order to make sure it's in there good, you just tap it just like that, and bam, just like that. All right, and now next we're gonna do is put this the protective flap cover on. All right, and whatever, when you put this back on, you see it's front. So this is the front side, and just pushing those tabs like so. And while you holding it, you're gonna open up this little flap and just work your way around. Sorry, I'm gonna do this. Sorry, I'm just doing this while filming with one hand, but you know. There we go. It snaps into place. And now just close this little flap right here, and you hear that snap. It locks into place just like that. And just to make sure you tap it to verify it, it's in there very, very good. Now, let's put this access cover back on. Again, you just line up with these latch machine. See the latches right there? There's one here, and 2 there, and these 4 of these right there, and there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this side. Yep. Make sure you line it up, and once you got it completely lined up, you just push in, and there you go. And now, once you get this outer, not the outer cover, the access cover back on, you're gonna screw these 2 screws, if I can find it. There it is. This screw right here. And you just put it in here like so. And I'm gonna use my electric screwdriver. And I'm gonna take this out. This electric screwdriver does a very, very good job. There we go. Let's make sure that you push this button here first. This arrow makes it tight. The motor turns to one right, and if you push this right here, it turns the other way. So we're gonna push this arrow forward. That makes it, and makes it screw in, and just press in your toggle switch, and you just pull it just like that. Oh, hold on. Sometimes you just need to slow down. There we go. Oops. Alright, there you go. As you can see, once again, if you hit slowing down a little bit on you, that's confirmed to make sure everything is nice and tight. And once you get these two screws in, now plug in your computer in. Plug in your all the accessories, your monitor, your keyboard, mouse, all of that, all the accessories. And now plug in your computer. And once you plug it in, it will turn on automatically. If it doesn't turn on, you have to go into your computer and then press the power button. So I think on this one it turns on automatically. Usually it does. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And it's not on. It's because I just unplugged it from the wall. And let's plug it in to the 120 volts wall outlet. There you go. As you can see, the power light is on. And when you open this up, you see that drive light just come on. And that's the light that you need to see. When you see this light, that's to confirm that your drive is working properly. So you don't have, in that case, like if you see this light, that's to, if you see this light flashing in your drive, that's to confirm that your drive is working properly. So they you follow all the safety procedures while you're doing maintenance and all of that, so you don't cause a short circuit, short anything out. But anyways, and the light goes out. It's because it's empty, so nothing is, just everything is empty. Anyways, now you can plug it in your keyboard, your mouse, your monitor, your screen, all of that. Put in your disc in here, burn something, and if it works, then yeah, just like, and if it works, then it's all set to go. If it doesn't, just comment down below, and we surely appreciate your help. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe, comment down, make sure you hit like and subscribe. If it's working, and if this video helped you out, and if it works, yeah. If it doesn't work, just comment down below, and we surely appreciate your help. Anyways, this is Bearcat William Scully signing out, and once again, please be safe. Make sure the power is off. Make sure to ensure that the power is off. Make sure that you turn everything off and you remove everything. And remember, be careful and be safe, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. This is Bearcat William Scully out.